back to another episode of Mary's Makes and Mends. If you know me, or you've been watching my videos, you'll already know my cat Fern, since she almost always makes an appearance here on my channel. Well, today's Fern's second birthday, and even though she has no concept of birthdays, or really much of anything other than what time her automatic feeder goes off, I'm making her a birthday present. I'll be showing you how you can make your own little kitty bandana in this video as well. It's a great project to use up fabric scraps, so let's get started on making it. Last year for Fern's birthday, I made her a hat out of this material. She really did not like the hat, so I'm hoping she'll like this year's gift a bit better. The first step is to cut out two pieces measuring 4 inches by 5 inches. Next, we're going to mark the middle at the bottom of each piece. Then make a mark on either side about 1.5 inches down from the top. Now we're going to cut from the top to the bottom marks to make a triangle shape. Pin these pieces right sides together at the top. And sew with a 1/4 inch seam. Press this seam open with your iron, then press the two side seams inwards about 1/4 inch. Top stitch these seams. Now back to your iron. Fold the bandana in half and press. Then press the rest of the raw edges inwards, making sure to line them up as you press. Top stitch all the way around. And you've made yourself a teeny tiny kitty bandana. Now let's see if Fern likes it. doesn't read the comments, but I do. Leave a comment down below wishing Fern a happy birthday. She deserves it. And if you'd like this video, we'd love it if you gave it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. We post every Sunday, and you'll usually be able to spot Fern helping out behind the scenes. Bye for now!